Yes, good morning, students. Today, let us start a new chapter, linear equations in one variable. Before we start this chapter, let you know about some basic important things. What are those basic important things? See, when we start this chapter is related to the algebraic branch. What is algebra then? Algebra is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of symbols and numerical facts with manipulating the numbers we call as algebra. Then come to the point, next one, constants. What are constants? Constants are nothing but numbers. We can say in definition, a symbol which is having a fixed value is called constants. See here, constants. What are constants? A symbol which is having fixed value we call as constant. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay, numerical facts, what we call numerical facts, such numbers are called constants. And next couple next point, variables. This very important point, term variables or variable. What do you mean by variable? Keep in mind, it is very important. What are variables? Variables are a symbols which does not have any fixed value. A symbol which does not have any fixed value. For example, we can use alphabetical letters. For example, X, Y, Z, A, B, etc. Such terms or symbols are called what here? Variables. Okay, these 2 points are very important. Once again, I recall, what are constants? Constants are the symbol which is having a fixed value is called constants. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Then what are variables? Variables, a symbol which does not have any fixed value are called variables. Example X, Y, Z, A, B, C, etc. Such numbers are or symbols are called variables. As next, coming to the point, the terms. What are terms? This is also very important. Term. What is term? A term is a variable or a constants or combinations of constants and variables are called term. For example, 2x. Okay, it is combination of numerical facts. This is a combination and variables. But it consider only one term. We can say it is a term. Or either you can say x by y or ab or 2. 2 also you can consider term also, etc. Such examples are called what here? Terms. In terms, again we have some types of terms are there here. First one, monomial. Monomials. What are monomials here? In one word we say that mono means single. Mono means only one term. Meals means terms. Actually it is from Greek word. Monomials. Okay. A term or algebraic expression which contains only one term are called monomials. What are called? Monomials. Okay, for example, 2x, we can say what term? X, y, a, b. See, and I want to clarify another one important thing is here. We can use the multiplication sign and also use here a divided by y. Division sign. Multiplication and division sign indicates as one term. Keep in mind, it should not be bifurcate the terms. Okay, only you should bifurcate terms. We can use plus sign or minus sign. then only we can say the types of the terms. Okay, here see here 2x 1 term, x 1 term, y 1 term, a into b, ab 1 term, a divided by b, a divided by b is also 1 term. Because it is division, because it is multiplication, we can consider 1 term. Next one, binomial. Binomial. Okay, is here binomial means what here? It contains two terms are called binomials. For example, x plus y. See, I am using the sign here. Plus sign. It bifurcates the values, the variables x plus y. Two terms are there. Then a plus b. Two terms binomial. 2x plus 2y binomial, etc. Such a numbers are called what here? Binomials. And third one, trinomials. What is third one? Trinomials. What are trinomials? Tri means three terms. Expression which contains three terms are called trinomials. Example, x plus y plus z, or a minus b minus c, or 2x minus 3y minus 2b, etc. Examples, three terms here. I am using plus sign, minus sign only. Okay, minus sign, plus sign. It bifurcates the terms. 1, 2, 3 trinomials. 1, 2, 3 trinomials. 1, 2, 3 trinomials. Such a terms are called trinomials, right? Okay, once I recall everything, what is term? A term is a variable or a constant or a combination of variables and constants are called terms. Then next one, types of the terms. What are the types of the terms are here? Monomial, binomial and trinomials. What is mean by monomial? An expression which contains only one term is called monomial. What is binomial? An expression which contains two terms are called binomials. What is trinomials? An expression which contains three terms are called trinomials. Next point, polynomials will come here. Next point is what here? Polynomials. Poly means how much? Many. You want to say that many terms are also called as polynomial, but according to the definition of the polynomial, an expression which contains the variables, the powers of the variable should be a whole number. Such a numbers are called polynomials. But for reverse levels it's not there. Let's have to move to the point. First, equation point. It is very important. What do you mean by equations? Say equations. What do you mean by equation? The equations are nothing but the process of equating the terms are called equations. Generally, I say that LHS is equal to RHS. In generally, we can say that what is equation? LHS is equal to RHS. Keep in mind, it is very important thing. Actual definition of what here? The process of equating the numbers are called equations. But in generally, I am taking. Keep in mind, it is very important. LHS is equal to RHS. Yes, we got the definition of this one. Then, what do you mean by linear equations? Okay. In equations having three types of equations. Three types of. First one, linear equation. First one, linear equation. Second one, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. And third one, cubic equation. Okay, here three types of equations are there: linear equation, quadratic equation and cubic equation. Before we moving these types of the equation, let's to know about what is degree of the equation. For example, write an example, degree of the equation. x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. It is our equation. Okay. See, you can see only variables. Very important here, variables. What is the variable of power of the variable x here? 1. What is the power of y? 1. What is the power of x? Either one 0, but we do not consider. Okay. See, it is very important is here. Powers are very important. Okay. Then we can say that here degree of the equation is what here? 1. Next one, x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Which is highest degree here? 2. What is the equation degree of the variable here? 1. So 2 is there, no? Yes, we can say that degree of the equation is 2. Next, x cube plus x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Which is highest degree is here? 3. We can say degree of the equation is 3. And what is here? It depends upon what here? Powers of the variables. In case power of the variable should be high, that is considered as the degree of the equation. Power of the degree of the variables, power of the variable is high or greater, that is considered as a degree of the equation. Here 3 is it? Yes, 3 is what here? Power of the variable, that is the degree of the equation is 3. My point is clear. Let's know about the first one, linear equation. What do you mean by linear equation? See, is it a linear equation is nothing but equation is having a power 1 or degree of the equation is 1. Such numbers are called, such equation is called linear equation. See here, power of the variable is what here? Only 1 is here. That is the linear equation. What is linear equation? The degree of the equation is 1. Such a equation is called linear equation. Then what about quadratic equation? Degree of the equation is 2. See here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is quadratic equation. Degree of the equation is what here? 2 is here. That is considered quadratic equation. Next, cubic equation. Yes, ultimately power of equation of the degree of the equation is 3. See, ax square bx ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Degree of the equation is what here? 3. Such a equation is called cubic equation. Okay. See, what I wrote, these are a standard form of the equations. First one, linear equation, that is ax plus b. Degree of the equation is 1 here. And quadratic equation, degree of the equation is 2 is here. The cubic equation, degree of the equation is 3. My point is clear. Now, it is clear types of the equation and linear equations. What we got now? Linear equation we got. Next one come to the point in one variable. What do you mean by one variable? See, look at here. One variable means what here? Here x is there. One variable. In case I write here 2x plus 2y plus c is equal to 0. How many variables are come here? 3 different variables are there. X, y, c. 3 different variables are there. So we should not consider in one variable. One variable should be what here? It should be only x. Yes. In the equation only x is there. That only should be x only. In 2 y is there? Only y. X, z is there? Z only. For example, right here 2a plus 3 is equal to 0. Linear equation in one variable. Degree of the equation is 1 here. Then how many variables are there? Only one variable. That is, we should consider linear equation in one variable. My point is clear, students? Okay? Yes. Before moving this part, let's have to start. Already started the chapter. It is very, very important basic terms. My point is clear. Okay? Thank you, children. Let it be. Continue tomorrow. Tomorrow is next class. Okay? Next class only. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.